Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have Vienna's pet treater bag. Do you want to know what's in her bag? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Vienna received her February pet treater bag, and we're gonna go ahead and dive in and see what toys she's going to be playing with this month. Ready? Ready to see what's in this month's box? Or your bag? Ooh, ooh, ooh. You're caught in my shirt, girl. Here, sit down right there for a second. So, here is the bag that it comes in. And when we get in here, okay, here, get all the way on the table. She's literally digging in the thing. Let's see. Okay, how cute. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a fish. That is adorable. It says, we care about your pet's safety. Fiesta fish taco. Toy for dogs. Squeak me, fetch, crinkle, and play. Ooh, ooh, there's a big one. There's a big one. So that is just so cute. Look at the little fish. Yeah? Okay, let me give that to you for a second. Then we have is this little bone right here. Now we have little Tana Squeaka in there. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Is that a little ice cream cone? It's a little ice cream cone. Whoop. All right, sit on your booty. So those are her 3 toys. Yes, those are the 3 toys for this month. And then here is the bandana. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? That is simply adorable. And normally it has Pet Treater's logo, and this one does not. It just has all these little images right there. That is super cute. Even though she hates these, but that is so cute. Maybe if I put it on her, she won't move. Because I'm always afraid of her falling off my desk right here. I kind of put it on her for a second. She's like, man. And then this month we have, congratulations, Tank. He won this pick of the litter for this month. If you send in photos, then they can choose them to put on a brochure that goes to everybody for the following month. So that is really cool. We have that. And yeah, so that is everything that she got. So if you want to see her playing with her new toys, here you go. Okay, you guys, do you want to make a bet which toy she's going to grab first? Let's see. Wow, this time you got all three. Okay, you guys, so that was her playing with her toys, living her best life as normal. Huh. You just love your toys. Toys and treats and food. That's all you live for, huh? Those three things. Toys, treats, and food. Yeah. So that is everything. If you guys want a little information about the pet treater, there is the dog and the cat options, which I really like that this one does both. So you have a few different options when it comes to the dog pack. You can do the regular dog pack, which is $15 a month, and you get 3 to 4 hand-selected items with a variety of super fun toys and mostly USA and Canadian made treats, never China. So you get toys and treats for that one. Then they have the deluxe pack, which you'll get the same toys and treats, but that one you'll get 5 to 8 for $25. So you have like a small and then like a large size. Then you can do the treat only, which is $18, and you'll get 3 to 4 treats only. Or you can get the toys only like she gets, and that is $18 a month, and she'll get 3 to 4 selected toys. And then they also do like something fun, you know, like the bandana, that kind of thing. There's a cat pack. So the small cat pack is $15, and you get 3 to 4 products, which are toys and treats. Or you can do the multi-cat pack. So if you have multiple cats or you just want a bigger cat pack for your cat, you can do that one. It's 5 to 8 selected items for $25, and it's all free shipping. That's right, free shipping. So this one that she gets is only $18 a month, and it's free shipping. Love it. So there you go, you guys. Again, comment down below and let us know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and we greatly do appreciate it. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out. Look at me, your little foot. Give me a little foot. Say bye.